In this video, we will see how to fix error invalid block error code 9 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of error message appear. The storage control block address is invalid. If you are also facing such type of error message, then fixes is go to Windows search and types system maintenance troubleshoot system maintenance and open perform recommended maintenance troubleshoot automatically. Click on open. Here, troubleshoot and help prevent computer problems, system maintenance. Click on advanced and make the check against option apply repairs automatically. This is the first possible solution to fix this error code 9. Click on next and follow on screen instruction to complete the process. Try troubleshoot as an administrator. Provide permission and let the window complete the troubleshooting process. Wait for some times and after that check whether your system error code 9 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Clean boot your system. To clean boot your system, right click on the start button and choose run. And here type msconfig, msconfiz and click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows in your system. Here from the top menu bar, go to services, click on services tab and from the bottom left corner, make the check against option hide all Microsoft services and thereafter click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on open task manager. Task manager window will now open. All the startup apps exist in your system will appear here. Here look for any startup apps enable in your system, manually disable it. Look for enabled startup apps and right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all the enabled startup apps in your system and thereafter close the task manager window and click on apply and OK to save the changes. After that, restart your system and check whether your system error code 9 resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Right click on the start button and choose settings. Here from the left sidebar, go to Windows Update and click on check for updates from the right side. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of error code appear. So you must install Windows latest update to your system. Close the window and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, first execute these three DISM tool one by one as shown on the screen. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows, and once successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now command, sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system for any bad corrupted files and repair them accordingly. Press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. After that, don't forget to restart your system. Your possible